What if I told you that now there's a free method for you to find winning products and Facebook ad ideas for your Shopify dropshipping business? If this excites you, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's video, I'm gonna actually show you a hidden feature right inside Facebook that you can use to ethically steal top winning products and even Facebook ad designs for your dropshipping business. But before we actually get into it, please do me a favor to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So before I actually share with you exactly how you can use this free method to find winning products and shortcut your way to dropshipping success, I wanted to actually first let you know, when it comes to Shopify dropshipping, it all boils down into the product you sell and also your Facebook ads. If you are able to simply master these two sections of your store and your business, your sales will start to actually skyrocket. However, oftentimes a lot of people are stuck on finding winning products, let alone creating the Facebook ad. Now in this video, I'm super excited to actually show you how you can actually find winning products that are being advertised through Facebook that you can simply just go in and actually check it out, model it, and actually use it for your Shopify store. This way, you are essentially shortcutting your way to success. You don't have to actually have any guesswork. You can actually have an idea on how to position and sell the product through Facebook ad and all those other good stuff. But before we actually go even deeper, here's one important note that I want to be very upfront with every single one of you. If you see these products that are being advertised from your competitor's page, sometimes it doesn't mean that when you copy them, you are gonna actually become a millionaire, all right? Because at the end of the day, it all boils down into the data that you get and also the audience you are targeting. However, in this video, with this simple hack that I'm about to show you, you're literally gonna shortcut your way to actually find winning products that people are already advertising on Facebook, and all you have to do is simply model it and actually test it out yourself. So without waiting further ado, let me actually head over to my screen right now to show you exactly how this all works. All right, so we're back to my computer right now, and the first thing that you want to do is simply head over to Facebook's ad library. Now, I'll leave the link in the video description right down below so that you can actually click on it and actually access to this hidden feature inside Facebook. Now, to give you a little bit background of why this Facebook ad library exists. Back then, with the politics in US, a lot of craziness have happened with privacy. Facebook has been forced to actually review all the political ads that are on their platform. Now, after that, Facebook went ahead. Not only did they actually review all the existing and current active ads in the political world, they also extend this to all Facebook advertisers. So with that, now, with the Facebook ads library, you can essentially see who is advertising whatever products or whatever message they are using their Facebook page. But in the last couple of months, Facebook made another update that rarely anyone knows, which essentially now inside the Facebook ads library, you can actually type in the keywords and showcase products with those keywords attached to those ads. This is a complete game changer for dropshipping and for Shopify businesses, and in fact, for every single business. Because now you can essentially not just needing the competitor's Facebook page, you can actually see exactly what people are advertising within your niche. So once you're in here, the first thing that you want to do is to change the location to anywhere you want. So it doesn't have to be restricted to where you are located. So in this case, I'm going to actually do my research in United States. Now, under the ad category, I'll change this to all ads because that's what we want to see. Now, let's say that I have a kitchen store and I'm selling kitchen gadget. I don't know what winning products that I really wanted. Well, guess what? I can actually type in kitchen gadgets and type in enter. And you are going to actually start seeing all the kitchen gadgets related products showcasing right in this feed over here. So you can see exactly what people are selling, how they are selling, etc., etc., etc. So you can actually go through all these. Now, as I said before, not every single product that you are going to copy is going to be a winner. You got to actually look at your own data to see what's working and what is not. But with this, you can essentially shortcut your way on figuring out what are the winning products and figuring out how the ads should look like and all those other great stuff. So in here, as you can see, there's a lot of products here that you can see. So I'm just putting kitchen gadget. So let me put in kitchen gadget as a whole and see if there's anything that comes up. So right now today, as I'm recording this, we are on the July 13th. So these are new ads that actually came about. This is another ad by Happy Store. So we actually look at this ad, you can see the videos that they made, right? It's an easy whisk for a baking must-have, all right? So now if I actually go, I'm going to stop this video, all right? And I go to their website, I can actually see exactly what the price they are selling it at and what they're offering and looking exactly how they position the page. Now, here's the crazy part. As you can see, I'm trying to see if I can change this to USD. All right. So right now they're selling this for $12.99. All right. Now, if I actually go to AliExpress.com and I look for a automatic whisk. I can't even pronounce it properly. Take a look, right? It's like the pricing is like $2 free shipping, $2 free shipping. And this guy is selling this for like $12.99. Huge profit margin, just like that, right? For every sale that he is generating, he makes at least $10 profit, just like that, right? So again, we can actually go through the Facebook ads library to see what is really selling, etc., etc., etc. Now, here's another part that we're going to actually take a little bit through. But before I actually go into this, I got to make this comment. This girl looks freaky. I don't know why. That ad show, she looks freaky. All right. It's a good thing I'm recording this during the day or else I'll be scared. All right. So now we actually go to the Facebook page of the competitor who's actually advertising this product. What we want to do is simply keep scrolling, go to trade page transparency, and then go to their ad library. So when we go to their ad library, I need to actually go into United States, or I can go into all ads, Happy Store. I gotta select his page. Happy, what is this URL? So I'm gonna grab his URL, see if hopefully I can actually get it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. There you go, Happy Store. I can see what else they are advertising, okay? There's the car anti-glare visor. Pretty smart, right? Pretty interesting product. So not only are you able to actually go in the beginning to find products within your niche, you can then actually easily extract and find their Facebook page and then go further deeper into seeing what other products they are going to be selling. But as I said, like this easy whisk over here, $12.99, I can get it for $2. Bam, just like that, right? All right, there you have it. See, it's that easy. And thanks to Facebook, now we have the ability to simply see winning products that are being advertised on Facebook that we can actually simply just learn and to see what's working, what is not working, and most importantly, hack the funnel of your competitors to see what is the price point they're selling, if they have any upsells or not, so that way you are essentially shortcutting your way to your e-com success. Now, at the end of the day, you do need to have your Shopify business created in order for you to fully utilize this technique. With that, if you are interested and want to actually get the help from my team and I in the next 21 days to build your own Shopify dropshipping business with our approved Shopify dropshipping course, then right in the video description right down below, you can actually see a link with our e-com challenge, which we are going to help you in the next 21 days to actually build your Shopify business that is capable of generating sales. If you combine our training with this video, you are going to be much quicker to actually get success with your e-commerce business. Now, I hope that this video really helps you out and to showcase how you can actually quickly find winning products and actually test it with Facebook ads by eliminating a lot of the guesswork. So with that, if you learned a thing or two and enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.